Welcome, my friend, to the Tainment channel. Today, we will talk about the future of jobs. Will artificial intelligence take over our jobs? In recent years, the world has witnessed a tremendous development in artificial intelligence technologies, which has raised many concerns about the future of jobs. Are we really on the cusp of an era where machines become a substitute for humans? Or will artificial intelligence create new opportunities instead of eliminating jobs? This is what we will discuss today with evidence, statistics, and scientific studies. 1. How does artificial intelligence affect the labor market? Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction, but has become a reality that affects many sectors. According to the World Economic Forum report for 2023, artificial intelligence is expected to replace 85 million jobs by 2025. But in return, it will contribute to the creation of 97 million new jobs in various fields. Sectors threatened with extinction: manufacturing and production. Robots have become capable of performing manual tasks with greater accuracy and speed than humans. For example, in China, Chengxing Precision Technology operates a factory that relies entirely on robots, which has reduced the number of employees by 90%. Customer service. Technologies like ChatGPT and smart robots are replacing customer service employees, as they can handle thousands of inquiries at the same time without the need for breaks or vacations. Administrative jobs. AI programs are able to manage emails, schedule meetings, and even make decisions based on data analysis, reducing the need for a large number of administrative staff. Sectors that will witness growth thanks to AI development and software engineering. The need for specialists in developing and maintaining AI systems is constantly increasing. Data analysis. With the increasing amounts of data, there is a great demand for data analysts who are able to extract valuable insights from it. Healthcare. Robots can perform delicate surgeries, but they still need doctors and nurses to supervise them. 2. Studies on the impact of AI on jobs. A 2013 study by Oxford University found that 47% of jobs in the United States are at risk of automation over the next 2 decades. A 2021 report by McKinsey & Company indicated that 30% of current jobs may disappear completely by 2030, but they will be replaced by new jobs that require different skills. A study from MIT confirmed that artificial intelligence does not eliminate jobs as much as it reshapes them, making continuous learning essential to survive in the job market. How can we adapt to this change? Instead of fearing AI, we should use it to our advantage. Here are some steps. Learn digital skills. Programming, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity have become highly sought-after skills. Develop human skills. Creativity, critical thinking, and effective communication are skills that AI cannot easily replace. Harness AI to improve productivity. Instead of being a competitor, AI can become an assistant that helps you perform your tasks more efficiently. AI is not an enemy of jobs, but a driving force for change. It is true that some jobs will disappear, but many opportunities will arise. The key here is to adapt and continuously learn to keep up with the times. Are you ready for this future? If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more great technical content.